Hello South Africa. It is Friday, June 10, 2022 and here is news in a minute. Massive fight broke out between the EFF MPs and security officials. A massive fight broke out between the EFF MPs and security officials during a sitting of the National Assembly in Cape Town on Friday. This comes after Speaker Mapisa-Nqakula warned the EFF that she won't allow the sitting to be disrupted. President Cyril Ramaphosa took the podium to reply to his budget vote. EFF MP Sinawal Tambo insisted that Ramaphosa could not address the National Assembly. Tambo says the Assembly made the same mistakes with former President Jacob Zuma. Several EFF MPs were asked to leave the chamber, including EFF MP Hlenjam Khalifi and Primrose Sonti. The massive fight broke out when EFF MP Sinawal Tambo and Naledi were forcefully removed from the chamber. Also, Speaker said claims of sexual assault will be investigated. Claims were made that security officials manhandled female EFF MPs, and in some instances, the security officials touched their private parts. Mapisa-Nqakula says Parliament will investigate allegations that female EFF MPs removed from the chamber were touched on their private parts. However, EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu says they have opened a case against Mapisa-Nqakula and the security officials who assaulted EFF MPs. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.